Hey everyone, in today's session, we're going to talk about our development center. We just got a revamp in the UI and a lot more description in terms of the different implementation and functions. So the introduction itself gives you an overview of what is possible in terms of the implementation itself. Merchants can go over a step-by-step guide, and then by starting by choosing the method of implementation, such as no code, meaning using our pay buttons, payment pages, product pages, and more, using direct integration to the hosted page dynamically from their CRM systems, or doing server to server where they hold the card details or additional APMs, so on. After that, of course, they have all the testing information, post-processing like notification, get statuses, callback searches, and so on, and different use cases of transactions flows, and so on. In the implementation itself, every section has an overview that gives them the description of the different features that are available, such as the design templates, product pages, wizards, and so on. When it comes to the hosted page, there's a lot more descriptions of the different dynamic features that we have to offer, not just the basic sales, auth capture, 3D, and such, but also dynamic amounts, additional amounts, and so on. So if you look here under hosted page, extra features, we can have a look at dynamic amounts, which allows the merchant to send multiple amounts and allow the user to select that within the payment page. We have the ability to add extra cost to checkout, meaning besides the base amount to be charged, they have a description of additional fees, such as in this case, voucher fee, processing fee, and the total amount will be the amount that we'll charge the customer. Same goes for discounts. They can describe the full amount with the Christmas discount of minus 20, and then we charge the net amount to be paid. Also, giving us the VAT value for us to calculate, and then showing to the user what is the net amount to be paid and how much the VAT was out of that amount. Of course, you can send all those values together for the calculation to giving the merchant full flexibility about the user experience. In terms of our design templates, we have 8 different designs for them to choose from, each one fitting their needs. So it's just a simple parameter to send in the request, or they can use the merchant control panel to select a fixed template to take from there. Besides that, of course, we have the brand tracking, which is the affiliation for giving the merchants the ability to keep track on how the traffic was referred to, simple identifier for the brand, and also configuring that in the merchant control panel and associate an affiliate with it. Full description of our voucher solution, both to create a voucher and redeem a voucher, and custom CSS and descriptions and what you can do within the payment page. When it comes to server, again, same descriptions and the different function with the need to know of the basic info that will give them the information on how to successfully integrate using server to server and the different functions that are available to them from sales, auth capture, 3D APMs, and even using stored cards in terms of that. The new section is post-processing, which now describes the refund process, reconciliation overview using our notification, cashier mode, status checks, and search APIs, and also the payout functionality that starts with authenticating to our web service and then creating a beneficiary, sending a payout request, and checking wires and so on. At the bottom section, you have different lists in terms of reply codes, payment methods, currencies for you to use as part of the integration process. And in any given time, the merchant can simply go to this new search box and search for a section that will give them a quick guide on how to integrate different functions. And the last part will be the signature, which is the main cause of issues during integration process. So we broke it apart into separate steps with some examples in different coding languages to give the merchant a better visibility and understanding on how the signature is created on that part. We hope you like the new interface. Have a look. If there's any questions, any recommendation, feel free to reach out, and thank you.